Please subscribe to the Eyes of Owen.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You forget me.
Get out. It's an experience, isn't it? Yeah, 100. Have you got 20 there, Keith?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. No problem.
thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. What do you reckon? A bit scary, a little bit?
Well, yeah, because I'm older and you
Yeah.
hear that bloody much on bloody bikes.
So we're up at Big Buddha and we've had a walk to Bali Pier and we just got a motorbike up here, but I was pissed last night and I'm finding it hard to motivate myself to make any videos, and that's beer for you. But I'm going to show the old Big Buddha up there.
Oh, yeah. Look at that.
Yeah.
Wow.
So yeah, the old Big Buddha, first time you've seen it, looks impressive first time you see it. Now then, where are we? We sat at a big table in a temple overlooking Pattaya with a beautiful cool breeze. And then the Gatorade was on Leo. I can't cope with it anymore. We had a good, how many did we have last night? 10, 12 bottles.
Oh, easy.
And
Easy.
I finished off with a couple of Samsung Cokes on size 6. I'd had enough. We ended up at McDonald's buying junk food and we even got a taxi back. It was a good day yesterday, good afternoon. Brilliant on size 6. Really enjoyed it. City won, they beat Everton. And chatted to some really nice girls. Had fun. Every one of them pleasant, weren't they?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Good value. Nobody really pestered for a lady drink. The odd one, a little bit of a, you buy me a drink, but basically most of them never really asked. I don't know how many lady drinks I bought, maybe 6, something, I can't remember, 6, 7. Yeah, we ended up the night upstairs, if you know what I mean. Yeah, good day. So today we've been to Bali Pier, just walking down Walking Street. We've been to Big Buddha. We've got a motorbike, taxi, which was it was alright, a bit hair raisy, to Big Buddha, and now we've walked across the road and come up to like the military temple, just having a drink. Still feeling a little bit ropey from last night, but it should be better. And then tonight, perhaps we might go a little bit round Tree Town, LK Metro, and I'm going to take him to the windmill. He's never been, I don't know what it's about, but I'll take him to the windmill. So it should be another good night, but I don't think I'll be drinking as much as I did yesterday, because it affects me in the morning. I've no interest in making these movies, and I want to make these movies because I want to get the views. So it's a, what's that word we're looking at? A vicious, is that the right expression?
Yeah, you can use that. Yeah, vicious.
So I can't really make me videos when I'm feeling rough and hungover and unenthusiastic. So I've made this now. so I might just put it on my members channel. I didn't mention that I've got a members channel, did I? I mention it all the time. So there'll be loads of extra footage. I filmed last night on Soy 6, quite a few street scenes. So obviously I'll put that on the members channel because it'll be demonetised on my normal YouTube channel. And I'll get some more stuff as well as we go along. So enough of this rubbish and these noisy Thai people over here having the dinner. Always happy and laughing and joking, aren't they?
Yeah, always.
Always. So, first impressions on your first couple of days?
Absolutely fantastic. Can't want for anything more. Just, it's absolutely mind-blowing.
Mind-blowing, yeah.
Day and night, mind-blowing. Where we're going, what we're seeing. I'm being shown around by a guy that knows what he's doing. And it's made it a little bit easier for me. Enjoyable as well, because he's educating me a lot about different things I can ask him about. So yeah, all in all, last couple of days has been good. It's surprising what Owen knows, to be fair.
You, before you came out, did you think it would be as big as it is with as many things to see? And you know, like the quality of like the shopping centres and the malls and the...
No, I didn't. No, I was blown away yesterday with it again because it was just beautiful inside, from top to bottom, spotless, modern.
Yeah,
puts
England to shame.
Puts Great Britain to shame, without a shadow of a doubt.
Yeah. And then also we went as well, had a look inside. We're going to have one before I go. I'm on here 6 nights. A soapy. Yeah, we're in a few soapies and got the prices. So we're going to treat ourselves. I've only ever had one before. So we're going to do that one night and just splash out and treat. I don't know which one to go in yet. It was all about the same, wasn't it? Similar. And just enjoy that experience. It's a good experience. That's it really. Can't really think about what else to say.
No, you've covered most things.
So today what we might do now, we might walk down, we might get a BART bus and maybe go and have a look at Jomtien, have a walk, because it's not too hot today, it's a bit breezy. Maybe have a walk down the beachfront at Jomtien and maybe get a little bit of food and a beer or two and then head back. Have a power nap, I'll have a power nap and then get ready to go out tonight. So, until, I might do this, whenever and wherever, over and out. Just like that.
Beautiful.
So beautiful, stunning view of Pattaya. Not long ago we was walking along Bali IP and we sat at the end there having a drink of pop. And walked along here, down to the bottom and got a motorbike. Just let a load of fireworks off here. Nice smell. It's quite noisy when they do it, but no one's doing it at the moment. You can tell with my voice I'm a little bit unenthusiastic today. But it is Pattaya. And this eyesore of a building, you'd think somebody would do something with it. Khắpช่วยผมครับใช่ Okay, I study Thaiนะยอยักษ์
Yes
วอเวนนะ
ยอยักษ์สระอา
sorry ยอยักษ์สระอาไม่รู้
ทอทหาร
ทอทหาร
พอพานไม่หันอากาศ
พอพาน สระ
ไม่หันอากาศ
อากาศ
ไม่หันอากาศ
ไม่หันอากาศ so
พัทยา
yeah this one again
พอพาน
พอพาน
Yes ไม่หันอากาศทอทหารยอยักษ์สระอา
สระอาปัตตายา
Yes
โอเคขอบคุณมากครับ
อ๋อได้ค่ะ You want take a photo ไหม
You love me?
Yes I can help you
You can just do on this. Of
ไหน
me.
ทำไงอ่ะ ไหน
It's
This
video
เหรอ
นะ video
วีโอ
ใช่
กดตรงไหนอ่ะ
Oh, I can take from video.
พีเตอร์ this not open
ใช่ใช่
ไหน อ๋อ โอเคแล้ว this เหรอ
ใช่ It's okay make Thai video.
เปิดยังวะ
That's okay.
โอเคนะ
Yeah.
thank you
Thank you. 10 baht. So we are in Jomtien, final, the Jomtien Open Pool Championship. The Rab has got to the final, and he's not even won a game. He's paid them off to lose. Right, we're in Jomtien, we've had a few beers and we've got a bit of food here. I've got green chicken curry and rice and papaya salad. And Rab has got, what's that?
I've got the Norway salmon steak.
Salmon.
And it's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Cooked right.
So we had a few beers this afternoon, had a game of pool or two on Soy 7 in Jomtien. We're going to have this and head back to Pattaya, and then we're going to get ready to go out tonight for a few more beers and a little bit of adult entertainment. Now then, this is a quick look at the room in Vogue Hotel. I paid 5,125 baht for 6 nights. Comfortable bed, big wide bed as well. Couple of nice table lamps. Sorry for the mess. TV with Premier League football. A comprehensive menu of decent channels. Decent enough. Got a nice chair. This is my little office area. Coffee making facilities. I set my laptop up here. Standard little fridge. Got your safe. Space to put your clothes, a couple of shelves. That's your sink. Shower's alright. Warm, that's the main thing. Quite hot to be honest, if you want it that way. Toilet. The only thing is behind this door. No great hardship, but can be a faff sometimes. Aircon. The aircon's left on when you go out, and then you've got yourself just a balcony if you want to sit outside, but you can sit outside in that heat, and a decent view at the back in a nice quiet area. Hotel recommended.
Why you won't make me here?